Whether it's the aspect of providing extension services, market access, climate smart practices, waste management models, amidst others, our goal remains one thing: to boost the income of poultry farmers. A while ago, we introduced the Pullus Innovative Financing, and this helped us to offer access to finance to qualified farmers. Out of the 155 farmers that benefited from this, the average of 27% income was recorded among them because of the extra finance and loans that they got. We were happy to partner with Heifer Nigeria to promote prepayment insurance plans for farmers. This meant that farmers could immediately access insurance plans for their farms ahead of their production. And what we saw from this was that 26 farmers filed for a claim at a low threshold of 5%. Out of these 26 farmers, 92% of them got compensated for the losses on their farm. This is great news. It meant that farmers didn't have to just file for insurance and lose their money, or when they lose birds on their farm, that's the end of their business. These farmers have now gone back, taking the compensation they received from the insurance company to go back and start production. These are the kind of things that we want to see, where farmers are confident in a system and a model that promotes a thriving business for them and improves their livelihood, which continues to remain our goal at Pullus Africa.
I'm doing that poultry farm in my own capacity. Till when I was being introduced to Pullus and Heifer, then I'm doing along with them, and there are a lot of benefits I've gotten from them. Though I did one of the batch of the poultry, but I lost birds then. But that did not discourage me from not continue in the poultry farming. I continued by struggling. Then I did another batch, and this batch I equally experienced losses, mortality, and it was so discouraging. But I didn't discourage. I keep on. Pullus Africa equally, they helped me by compensating me with an insurance fee, which make it possible for me to continue. By today, I still continue with the poultry farm with the Pullus Africa and Heifer. There is a joy in me, which I am saying, whomsoever that is discouraging, maybe you're working with Pullus and you're discouraging, maybe if you have a losses of bird, will they compensate you? Me that speaking to you today, I was being compensated on the loss that I have on this large batch that I did before this one I'm doing now.
So I came in contact with Pullus and Heifer when they came to my community to introduce and tell us about subsistence farming, how to manage, how to make some kind of livelihood from an extra kind of income from it. So, and they introduced the poultry farming. I picked interest because I was doing a little bit of it in the house. So, but with them introducing it, they gave me the idea of expanding and doing more of it. So I picked interest and I started farming with them. So the initial challenge I had initially was to manage waste. So by the time I cleaned my pen, storing those waste and trying to dispose of it became an issue. It smells around, and Pullus and Heifer came and trained us, the clusters, on how to manage this waste, not just to throw them away. They have some good benefits from it. We could actually sell them, and when I heard about I could make some extra cash from it, I was so excited that yes, at least I can make something from it. So we could sell them to other farmers that do cash crop, and we sold them. We were able to make some money from it, and I also used some of it in my own farm because I plant corn and beans. So I use some of those waste products in my own farm. So with that introduction, it has been a relief for me, and I want to use this opportunity to thank Pullus and Heifer for this great initiative.
So I am very grateful, very delighted in my spirit towards the Pullus Africa and Heifer